you guys, just heading out for yard sales, and today we have a special guest. We're going to be meeting up with Travis, and we should have a lot of fun today. So I'm going to meet up with him right now, and then we're going to go to our first yard sale. Today is a crazy yard sale day. It's the very first weekend of October. Usually the first weekends in a month are awesome for yard sales. People time them at that time because that's when most people get paid. It's when Social Security checks come in. It's when welfare checks come in. Throughout our city, I saw over 70 yard sales. So we should have pretty good luck, I think.
Back at that place, is that the only cars you saw?
Yeah. This is the one I got. There's a couple of them. But this is the one I thought was weird. I've never seen a type in it before.
I hate when I wear my sunglasses. And like, I put them on and they fall Exactly. You can't and you can't. You physically can't and you just don't want to. That plastic one right there, I know that's a little bit block.
Yeah.
That's actually a graphic tool.
I'm not a book kind of guy, so I'm not a good person. I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna go with that. Good. They take me at you. Here are the fat butchers. That was a 9.2.
It might be this table. There's a bunch of toiletry, different stuff over here.
Just like straight up, so we have to. We were told to. Oh no. Pretty hard.
Oh wait, do these go in here? Morning. How much are shoes?
I guess it kind of just depends on the shoes. Some of them are kind of worn down and some of them are pretty nice.
Like, I don't know why
But I would say roughly like, yeah, I don't know why some of these are
Yeah.
priced. Don't believe some of the prices.
Yeah, don't
We
don't
can,
go by pricing.
I didn't even see it. Is it?
They want 5.
Oh,
or-
they're
5.
fine. I would probably
And they
say-
want 3 for those. These are like a 3, and that's $1. I mean, I'd say they're pretty fair market value.
I would say a lot of it would be $1. to be
Yeah,
honest.
at most.
That's usually what I do.
Oh, okay, cool.
So yeah, don't pay attention
But
to this.
are they pricing or?
We're all just kind of.
Yeah, okay.
School. So we're at
Okay.
Scan and color guard.
So I'll just say you guys said that
I
they're
can go tell them.
between.
Like, yeah, so I usually tell them when there's.
You don't get good right now with the market.
I'm gonna take this box if I can.
Sure.
Fill it up with some stuff.
Let me take that for you.
Sure.
That'd
Thanks.
be great. Thanks.
The cones.
Hi.
$80.
Can I put a pile over here?
Yeah.
Okay, cause I've got another box of shoes too.
All right.
Thanks.
Jennifer, we need prices on bikes, please.
They told you how much those books are?
No, I'm just making a pile, and you guys, if you guys want to make it like a bundle or something.
Are you recording everybody?
Not it. I'm recording what I do for my
like, not
for
right
my
now.
YouTube channel.
Nice.
Yeah. Look who it is.
Hey! Hey, what's going on, man?
No quarantine. Yeah.
Yes, I love pumpkin seeds.
All right. I think I might be ready to pay.
Oh, geez, you got a lot of shoes, huh?
Yeah.
I told him $85 and he just laughed at me for the shoes.
Well, because you said it's after someone else already. I already said it was less, so.
He's like, I'm not taking your number.
I'm trying to remember who it was. It's hard to recognize people with
They all look the
masks
same.
on. And then there's actually a pair of sunglasses down in here too. They this is my friend's, but I'll just pay for it for him. But he said that they told him $5 for the computer. So
Yes, $5 for the computer. So like
Gotcha.
40 for everything?
what were you
Just
char-
shoes? 2.
Oh, you're doing 2 on the shoes? Okay.
And then I did $1 on everything else.
$1. Oh, okay. Let me just double check.
I don't even think I got if anything was in there.
Yeah. Okay. That works. Is that including theirs too? So it's everything. You said 40?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like a little everybody's rounded it.
Yeah. That works. Cool. Thank you.
I was run down.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Good luck with your sale. We had so much good content from this trip. I had to break it up into 2 videos. So here's the haul for today's video, and stay tuned to my channel for more content from this trip and other yard sale adventures.